On our planet, in the deepest, darkest corners of the world, there exists a silent language, a secret spectacle played out for millions of years far from human eyes. It is the language of light, crafted not by the sun or the stars, but by life itself. This is bioluminescence, one of nature's most enchanting phenomena. A living light that transforms the familiar into the fantastical, revealing creatures so strange, so otherworldly they seem born of imagination. Let us descend and unveil this luminous world. Our first destination, the temperate waters of the Western Pacific. Here in profound blackness, something stirs. At first, almost imperceptible. Then another and another. These are not stars, but eyes. Tiny organs that make their own radiance. Watacenia scintillans, the firefly squid. By day, it endures crushing depths. By night, it rises under cover of darkness. Hundreds of photophores in intricate patterns and brilliant arm-tip clusters. It can flash, dim, or glow with mesmeric steadiness. A vocabulary of light, a silent dialect spoken in the dark. From March to June, a transformation begins. Millions, perhaps billions, converge in Toyama Bay, Japan. Males pulse frantic beacons. Females answer with soft, selective shimmer. In the storm of flashes, predators lose their aim. A brief brilliance, then eggs laid, lights extinguished, and a promise of next year. We now descend deeper, into a realm where no sunlight has ever reached. The midnight zone. Eternal night, immense pressure, chilling cold, life by different rules. The Atolla jellyfish. Its deep red bell appears black in blue light, rendering it invisible. A ghost conserving energy, waiting for food to touch its tentacles. But when seized, the Atolla does not surrender. It unleashes a pinwheeling display of blue bioluminescence, the burglar alarm. Not to scare its attacker, but to call a bigger predator to the scene. In the confusion, the attacker becomes prey, and the Atolla escapes. Invisibility in peace, spectacular light in peril, the dual key to survival. An evolutionary arms race crafted in darkness. A life lived between shadow and spectacle, a reminder of how much we have yet to learn about the deep ocean. Sometimes, to survive the darkness, you must become a beacon within it. An apparition wrapped in velvet red and black, Vampiroteuthis infernalis, the vampire squid from hell. Eyes among the largest, gleaming blue or ruby in the gloom. Neither squid nor octopus, last of its kind, a living fossil adrift. The cloak reveals cirri, not barbs, but soft filaments. Early, damaged specimens misled us. ROVs revealed a subtle, efficient survivor. Home, the oxygen minimum zone, where many cannot endure. A master of conservation, living where every movement must count. Its weapon, 2 retractable filaments, many times its body length. Sticky nets intercept drifting detritus, marine snow for a low-energy diet. Photophores ripple intricate patterns, slow glows or rapid flashes. If threatened, a luminous smokescreen of sticky glow buys escape. Arm-tip lights may lure or decoy attacks away from its head. A gentle, resourceful survivor, the vampire from hell in name only. Imagine a night sky plunged beneath the waves. A living galaxy of lanternfish. They are among the most abundant vertebrates on Earth. Small, unassuming, with eyes to gather the faintest light. Rows of photophores along flanks, belly, and head. Cool blue-green glow. Each species has a distinct constellation, unique as a fingerprint. Light patterns signal mates and keep schools cohesive. Each night they rise, part of the planet's largest migration. Under cover of darkness, they feed on plankton-rich waters. Sonar revealed a moving false bottom, the scattering layer, made largely of lanternfish. Their combined biomass may exceed 660 million metric tons. They cloak with counter-illumination, matching downwelling light to erase shadows. A precise, adaptive camouflage bordering on magic. They feed a multitude: squid, tuna, dolphins, and whales. Their daily commute shuttles carbon and nutrients into the deep, a living pump. Tiny fish, planetary impact. Their light threads through the ocean's vast tapestry. They are the true stars of the deep sea. A creature of ethereal beauty, the comb jelly, a ctenophore, not a true jellyfish. 8 rows of cilia beat in metachronal waves. They refract light into shimmering rainbows. Pure physics, not bioluminescence. But many comb jellies also glow. True bioluminescence, a cool blue-green signal. A sudden flash can startle predators, a burglar alarm in the dark, or summon a bigger hunter to attack the attacker. Without stinging cells, they cast vast, sticky nets. Coloblasts, microscopic glue balls that seize passing prey. A gentle retraction, the catch is wiped to the mouth, elegant and quiet. Rainbows may reveal, transparency conceals. The flash is a last-ditch shield. In comb jellies, light and predation entwine. Phantoms of water and light, ancient and indispensable. A living prism and a glowing strategist, refined by evolution's patient hand. On the abyssal floor, a simple, soft-bodied sea cucumber conceals a remarkable secret. A slightest nudge triggers a transformation. It sheds luminous skin, decoys that draw danger from its body. A sacrificial strategy. Lose a little, save the whole. The glow lingers for minutes, time enough to vanish. A classic bioluminescent reaction, precisely controlled and deployed. Costly to regrow, but priceless for survival. In a world without refuge, it weaponizes light. Elegant defense in deepest night. On Indo-Pacific reefs, a procession of flickering blue-green lights takes to the night. Flashlight fish carry bacterial lanterns beneath each eye. A symbiosis. The fish feeds microbes. Microbes provide steady glow. A dark shutter blinks the beam, Morse-like precision. They illuminate and dazzle prey, turning rocky night into a lit hunting ground. Chaotic blinking bewilders predators, defense by confusion. Blink patterns keep the shoal together and warn of danger. A perfect partnership, microbial light conquering the reef's perpetual twilight. Some nights, the ocean breathes blue fire, every touch a burst of living light. Trillions of dinoflagellates, tiny drifters that glow on disturbance. When temperature, nutrients, and light align, blooms surge. Red tide by day, milky sea by night. Mechanical stress triggers a chemical flash in each cell. Billions flashing together paint liquid star fields and glowing rivers. The flash is a burglar alarm, calling predators to the grazer attacking them. Some blooms turn toxic. Shellfish accumulate neurotoxins. Blooms can deplete oxygen or poison fish en masse. A profound duality, wonder and warning intertwined. Beauty can signal danger, nature's cautions written in light. Life at its smallest can illuminate the sea and shape its fate. In perpetual midnight, an iconic predator waits, the deep-sea anglerfish, a cavernous jaw armed with translucent, inward-curving teeth. Not built to chase, built to swallow prey larger than itself. Its secret dangles above the maw, a living lamp called the Esca. A solitary beacon in endless black, a fatal attraction. A siren's call that ends in teeth. The glow is a partnership, millions of bacteria housed in the lure. They are fed and protected. In return, they shine. They glow continuously, day and night, though day never dawns here. The angler manages the beam, shutting, dimming, revealing by will. Young females must recruit their glow from the sea. Without it, the lure is useless. Males are diminutive, lureless, built only to find a mate. He bites and fuses, becoming a permanent appendage that provides sperm. A solitary hunter carrying a colony of bacteria and one or more mates. A truly alien existence fashioned by evolution, not fiction. A tiny light that rules the abyss. From crushing depths to forest floor, another living light appears. Not an insect, but a many-legged arthropod, Motixia. By day, unremarkable. By night, a steady spectral glow. A constant beacon, like a ghostly train gliding through detritus. Bright signals warn, I am dangerous, I taste bad. This millipede wields cyanide, a potent chemical defense. The glow, an honest signal, deterring attack before it begins. Scientists tested the signal with glowing and non-glowing dummies. By morning, dark models bore bite marks. Glowing ones were untouched. Proof that on land, bioluminescence can warn as surely as color. Slow, blind, and luminous, this millipede has weaponized light itself. A silent declaration to the night. Stay away. From trenches to forests, we have wandered through a world of living light. Flashes that alarm, lures that hunt, signals that speak. Each glow, a solution crafted by evolution's relentless imagination. 10 astonishing lights among countless others waiting to be found. There is always another layer to peel back, another lantern in the dark. Subscribe for more deep dives into the extraordinary theater of life. Stay curious.